Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to the Eno Health Conference 2024. I'm Deepshikha, your host for the Eno Health Magazine podcast, and today we have with us Dr. Priyanka. Ma'am, if you would please familiarize the listeners with who you are and what you do and what's your expertise.
Hi, my name is Priyanka Sharma. I'm a scholar, researcher, and now you can also call me entrepreneur. I'm basically focusing on the well-being, which is related to your lifestyle. How can we put 100% towards the lifestyle, leading the healthier?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your introduction. And well, we know that you are now an entrepreneur, so congratulations on your entrepreneurial journey.
Thank you so much.
So a hearty congratulations to you on stepping up and becoming the businesswoman that we need as an interventionist in the pharma and healthcare scenario of India. So you own the company Diabetes Treats, right?
Yeah.
And you have your product, which is related for diabetes patients who are on the journey of insulin resistance and all of that. What must have been the elbow grease and the research that you had to put into finally realizing the eureka moment where you were like, oh, the product is finally going to be here?
Actually, when I was thinking for the Holistic Herbs Daivik, my mission was very simple. I just wanted to harness the ancient wisdom of traditional herbs in the combination of scientific research to promote or to create such products which will help the people in their journey towards the healthier life. So in my pharmacy, I have gone through so many projects, so many work where I have found or discovered the potential of herbs. Then I utilized and then I infused the potential of herbs towards the science to help the people.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. Well, you're doing great work for the healthcare scenario and many patients who are on the onset or the path to many lifelong chronic diseases. Right. You're doing really God's work in this aspect, I would believe.
Exactly. Now, conventional medication plays an important role for the treatment of our medical conditions like diabetes or other metabolic disorders. But even then, there is a actual need of healthy supplements which will complement the existing medical condition. That's why I was wondering for such supplements with science backed or with approved potential to help the people. Those who are on medication, they can also have such supplements which are safe, which have potential for the additional benefits.
Well, we all know that bringing a product which is has medicinal benefits takes a lot to bring into the actual market and to make its entry right there, right? So what were the microscopic studies or the validational studies that you had to do that were really difficult to penetrate through in order to make it viable for the Indian market?
Actually, our mission was just to create a product. So we gone through the rigorous research and the deep respect for the natural ingredient. We combine them and lead in our laboratory where we have find these ingredients which is known for the ancient time for the diabetes or as a hypoglycemic agent, but we are unable to have we are unable to add in our daily routine life. So I was just wondering all these herbs to add with daily routine, like we are taking snacks in our leisure time or we want to have some soup in our leisure time. So I just incorporate that all herbs in our routine so that we can get healthier more easily.
Well, I also saw that a couple of the products were a protein bar, a soup, maybe like some biscuits and snacks. So, what was the idea that made you believe that we can make it into a snackable, medicinal snackable?
Actually, it's just not a professional, it's a deep personal also. Actually, one day I was sitting with my parents. It has been always motivational for me for the healthy diet, balanced diet, healthy living, balanced living. But they were not following the same rule. Actually, they were just having these snacks to utilize their time with us. All the snacks are not actually the sugar-free snacks for the diabetes patient. Actually, what they are doing, they are just replacing sugar with the other alternative or with other sweetener, but they are not using such things that will manage the glucose in their body. So I decided if they really want to utilize their time with us, or I want to utilize my time or want to spend some time with my family, I have to bring something in, as I am belonging from the science. So it's my responsibility also for the parents or for all the guardians, those who are suffering with these metabolic or chronic diseases. So I decided to do something as a gift, or to a time spent to for the youngster also. They will also have the opportunity to utilize their time or their leisure time with their parents, and the parents also has now.
Well, isn't that what we need? We need passionate and enthusiastic healthcare experts who are willing to bring new innovations into the healthcare scenario and help people. So I hope some of the listeners are motivated from you and they take inspiration from you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us today, ma'am.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and I really hope you will all join me in this journey for awareness, for promoting health.
Of course, we are here with you. All the best for
Thank you
Diabetes
so
Week.
much. Thank you so much.